Welcome back to Cooking Up to Eat. Guys, I got me some French toast, bacon, and some omelette. And an omelette with, I have spinach, bacon, and sausage in it. Yeah, look nice, look good. Look at that. Let's get down. Let's try this one first. Bacon. Omelette.
And a year with that company, I got $50,000.